Children, let us start with few more sums of area under the integration, or you can say some special sums. Okay, so let us start with this. It is area bounded by y is equal to. Okay, sir, let us start with few more sums of area under the curve. The first one, area bounded by y is equal to 2x minus x square and x axis. Here the most important thing is to draw the curve. So how to draw the curve? Let us see. It is y is equal to x, I will take common, 2 minus x. Okay? Now let's find some special points. If x is 0, then y is 0. It means if I do like this, x 0 है तो y भी 0 है. And when x is 2, again y is 0. So when x is 2, again y is 0. Correct? When x is 2, again y is 0. And the moment if I take x as 1, x1 लिया तो कितना आएगा y 1. तो x1 लिया तो y आएगा 1. Now if you see, if you go from 0 to 1, you substitute 0 to 1 के बीच में value, the curve value will go on increasing. क्या होगा curve का value? It will go on increasing. But 1 से आगे लिया, between 1 and 2, the value will go on decreasing. Just try. If you put x more than 1, the value will go on decreasing because again I have to come to 0. So the curve will somewhat like this. Okay? I have drawn a rough curve. Now I want area between x axis only. So I will not think about the negative side. I will only think about this region. Okay, this is the area I am interested in. So this goes from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2. Very simple. So area will be 0 to 2 y dx. Okay, I know the value of y now. What is y? 2x minus x square dx. That is 2 common. X का integration x square by 2. That is 0 to 2. Or you can say directly now. 2x का integration क्या आएगा? x square. x square का x cube by 3. 0 to 2. Substitute 2. So 4 minus 8 by 3. So answer is 4 by 3. Sorry. Okay, it's 4 by 3. So then some wetness, it's not able to write. 4 by 3. Okay, clear? Yes. It is understood. 4 by 3 square units. Next, area bounded by y equal to x square. How is the curve y equal to x square, children? This is a very famous and standard curve. This is y equal to x square. I am very poor in drawing, so it has been stretched too much. And y equal to x. What do you mean y equal to x? Correct? It should pass from origin, okay? So I want to find area of this region. Hai? So what is this point? We need to find this point B. A I know it is 0, 0. B मुझे find करना पड़ेगा. Correct? So let us first find B. तो कैसे find करेंगे? I'll substitute y as x in this. So my y is x. So x equal to x square. That is x square minus x equal to 0. So if I take x common, x minus 1. Therefore, या तो x 0 है या तो x 1 है. Okay? Clear everybody? Now try to substitute the values. So we get x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. मतलब ये 1 हो गया. Y equal to x है तो ये भी 1 हो गया. Basically क्या है? I want to find this red portion. So what will I do? Area under this line minus area under this curve. If you remember, if I talk about two curves, area of upper curve minus area of lower curve. So here I will say that area is nothing but again 0 to 1 limits. 0 to 1 में area under this line. So y dx ब्रैकेट में लिखोगे for line minus again 0 to 1 under this parabola So we'll say y dx for parabola. Okay, or you can say y equal to x square. So it becomes 0 to 1 y. लाइन के लिए y क्या है? x dx माइनस पैराबोला के लिए y क्या है? x स्क्वायर dx. से हो जाएगा x स्क्वायर बाय 2 माइनस x क्यूब बाय 3. Substitute the value as 0 and 1. So half minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 6. कितना आएगा? 1 by 6. Understood? Yes. Now my favorite question and very nice. Area lying above x-axis and included between a circle and parabola. Parabola that I can easily draw. Now I need to draw about circle. Exactly circle का center कहाँ पर आएगा? So let us solve. It is x square plus y square equal to 8x. So it becomes x square minus 8x plus y square equal to 0. इसको perfect square बनाना है. So adding 16 on both sides. तो हो जाएगा x minus 4 the whole square y square equal to 16. So I can see that center of circle is 4, 0 and radius is 4. क्या है circle का center? 4, 0 and radius is 4. Let us draw the circle now. So मेरा circle कुछ ऐसा आएगा. This is my center 4, 0. This will be my circle. Okay. It is not a proper circle. Please cooperate with that. 4, 0. है ना? Now y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x क्या आएगा? This parabola. Correct? This green color का parabola आएगा. Y square equal to 4x. I am just talking of above x-axis. मतलब ये मेरा interested region होगा. क्या बोला है? Included between circle. तो circle and parabola के बीच में जो एरिया आ रहा है, कौन सा एरिया है वो? This area. So I need to find again this A. I need to again find this B. एक बार A और B मिल गया तो क्या करेंगे? From A to B, area under the upper curve. Upper curve क्या है? Circle. So area under circle minus area under parabola. तो मुझे पहले ये पूरा एरिया मिलेगा. कहाँ तक? यहाँ तक. ये पूरा एरिया मिलेगा. इस एरिया में से अगर पैराबोला का एरिया माइनस किया, I'll get the red part. Correct? So first let us find this B. कैसे find करेंगे? इन दोनों को simultaneously solve करेंगे. So what is y square given to you? Y square is given as 4x. Substitute here. क्या मिलेगा? X square plus 4x is equal to 8x. Sorry. So x square minus 4x is equal to 0. X minus 4 equal to 0. So या तो x 0 है, that is this point, या तो x 4 है, that is this point. Now I am writing orally, आप solve करके लिखोगे. x अगर 4 है तो y कितना आएगा? 4 ही आएगा. तो y square हो जाएगा 16, so it becomes 4. Clear? I am solving this sum this side. तो क्या आएगा? My area will be, limit same है. So I'll write 0 to 4, area of circle minus area of parabola. Correct? Area of circle minus area of parabola. That is 0 to 4. Circle के लिए y dx क्या आएगा? y यहाँ पर. So y is equal to square root of 8x minus x square. क्या आएगा सर्कल के लिए? Square root of 8x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर. और पैराबोला के लिए क्या आएगा? y 2 रूट एक्स dx. ठीक है? लेट अस सिंप्लीफाई दिस पार्ट नाउ. 0 to 4. पर्पस यहाँ पर माइनस कॉमन निकालेंगे तो हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 8x. यहाँ माइनस 16 किया तो मेक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, तो यहाँ 16 ऐड करना पड़ेगा. माइनस 2 रूट एक्स dx. So it becomes 0 to 4 square root of 4 square minus 4, sorry, ये हो जाएगा x माइनस 4 द होल स्क्वायर। करो इसको इंटीग्रेट अभी, तो ये मिलेगा 0 to 4, sorry, I have to integrate it now. So x, what is my x over here? X minus 4. So x minus 4, the bracket as it is, that is 4 square minus x minus 4 the whole square minus a square. A square कितना है? 16 by 2 sin inverse x by a minus 2 root x का 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2. यह आएगा 0 से लेकर 4 तक। x को 4 पुट किया तो ये 0 हो जाएगा, है ना, सॉरी प्लस आएगा। हाँ, इफ आई पुट x as 4 इन दिस पार्ट, ये 0 हो जाएगा, तो 4 minus 4 is 0, इससे क्या बचेगा 8 sin इनवर्स अगेन 0 माइनस 4 by 3 4 raised to 3 by 2 माइनस 0 पुट किया, ये हो जाएगा -4, है ना, ये हो जाएगा -4, ये हो जाएगा 0, अगेन यहां बचेगा -16 by 2 साइन इनवर्स 0, ये भी 0, और ये हो जाएगा प्लस, ये भी 0, करेक्ट? यस, हाँ, सो ये 0 हो गया, ये हो गया 2 स्क्वायर, 8 4 32 by 3, ये हो गया 0, ये भी हो गया 0। ओके, सिंपल मिस्टेक चिल्ड्रन, ये साइन इनवर्स जो x को 0 पुट करेंगे तो 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 upon 4 minus 1, तो ये 0 नहीं होगा, ये हो जाएगा साइन इनवर्स -1, ठीक है। सो ये -32 by 3, ये हो जाएगा -8 साइन इनवर्स -1 इज माइनस साइन इनवर्स 1, सो 8 pi by 2, so answer will be 4 pi minus 32 by 3. Understood? Yes? Okay? Yeah. Okay, one more last sum children from this topic now. So I have to draw a circle and a parabola. So let us draw a circle first. Center at origin, radius will be 3. Center at origin, radius will be 3. Next क्या है? Parabola y square equal to 8x. It will be ऐसा y square equal to 8x. Region common to both. कौन सा रीजन आएगा? ये वाला, correct? So let us say this as A, again this as B. Again if you observe carefully, some part is of parabola, some part is of circle. तो partition बनाते हैं. If you draw partition here like this, so this much part is under parabola, है ना? इतना parabola का है और ये part circle का है, correct? So again there are two things over here. Some region under parabola, फिर यहाँ पर parabola खत्म हो रहा है, यहाँ से क्या start हो रहा है? Circle start हो रहा है, okay? So again I will solve both of them to get the values of B. A तो by default has to be 0, 0. What is y square given as? 8x. So x square plus 8x minus 9 equal to 0. Multiply किया 9, add किया 8. So x plus 9, x minus 1 equal to 0. X cannot be negative, therefore x has to be 1. तो ये हो गया 1. Therefore y कितना था? Y square is 8x. So y आएगा प्लस माइनस 2 रूट 2, x कितना है 1. Therefore y आएगा 2 रूट 2. So ये हो गया 2 रूट 2. ठीक है. Now we know that क्या आएगा? Area will be 0 से 1 तक, है ना? ये लाइन 1 की है. This is 1, 0. 0 से 1 तक पैराबोला. 0 से 1 तक पैराबोला क्या आएगा y dx. व्हाट इज y? √8 dx प्लस 1 से लेकर 3 तक, 1 से लेकर 3 तक क्या आएगा? एरिया अंडर द सर्कल जो आएगा √9 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर dx. और इंटीग्रेट, √8 बाहर आ गया, ये हो जाएगा 2/3 x⁻³ 0 to 1. a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट क्या आता है? x स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ a स्क्वायर माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस a²/2 साइन इनवर्स x बाय a, है ना? ये हो जाएगा 1 से लेकर 3. ये हो जाएगा 2√8/3. ये तो 1 माइनस 0 सिंप्लीफाई हो गया इजीली, प्लस I will put x as 3. So 3 times, I'll write complete so you'll understand this time. Plus 9/2 sin inverse 3/3 minus x को 1 put करेंगे. So 1 9 minus 1 minus 9/2 sin inverse 1/3. समझा? So हो गया 2√8/3, ये 0 हो गया, ये आएगा प्लस 9/2 साइन इनवर्स 1 कितना होता है? 5/2. ये माइनस √8 और ये एज इट इज साइन इनवर्स 1/3. तो ये सॉल्व कर सकते हैं हम दोनों को. कितना आएगा? माइनस √8/3 प्लस 9π/4 माइनस 9/2 sin inverse 1/3. Now shuffle the terms here and there. Clear? Understood everybody? Now since they have not mentioned under x-axis or y-axis, तो ये एरिया भी मुझे निकालना पड़ेगा. This area also I need to find, but we know that both are symmetric to each other, so my required area will be 2 times. क्या आएगा? I will say that therefore required area is 2 times the given area. This is my A. So required area is 2 times the given area. Let's just check. There should not be any silly mistake. Y था √8 so x is to 3/2 upon 3/2 ऊपर गया √8/3. When I put this as 3, next time 1 put here. So it should be, yeah. Thank you. This is where we end integration of application. Next class we'll study about differential equation. Okay. Thank you.